Find the length of the rectangle whose perimeter is 960 meter, breadth is 130 meter. Rectangle perimeter or rectangular perimeter equal to 2 into L plus B. Okay, they have given perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 960 meters. What is the breadth? Breadth is equal to 130 meters. What is the length? Length we don't know. Length equal to how much? Write in the formula. 960 meters equal to 2 into 130 meters plus length. Divide with 2. Both sides. 960 by 2 meter equal to 130 meter plus L. This is 2 ones are 2 fours are 8, 2 eights are 16, 0. 480 meter minus 130 meter equal to length. So that is 350 meter equal to length. Length of the rectangle is 350. Write 480 meter minus 130. 0, 0. 8 minus 3, 5. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 1, 3. So 350 meter is length. The second question is, the perimeter of regular pentagon is 250 centimeter. What is length of each side? Here, pentagon has how many sides? Number of sides of a pentagon. Penta means 5. Number of sides 5. They have given perimeter of pentagon. Perimeter of a regular pentagon means equal sides. Equal to 5 into side. How much they have given? 250 centimeter equal to perimeter of pentagon. So equate 5 into side is equal to perimeter of pentagon 250 centimeter. Side is equal to 250 by 5 centimeter. 5 5s are 25, 0. 5 50s are 250 centimeter. So side of the pentagon is 50 centimeter. Third question. Find the side of a square whose area is 144 square centimeter. See here, square, area of a square, side of a square we can find out. They have given the area. Area of a square, how much? 144 square centimeter. What is the actual formula of square? Area of a square, side into side. So side into side equal to 144 square centimeter. We know that 12 12s are 144 square centimeter. So side into side is 12 into 12. That is 12 centimeter into 12 centimeter, 144 square centimeter. So side is equal to 12 centimeter. Side square equal to 12 centimeter square. Side equal to 12 centimeter. Okay. Next, find the cost of leveling find the cost of leveling a playground at 4 rupees per square meter If it is 25-meter long and 15-meter wide. Find also the cost of fencing it at 2 rupees 50 pice per meter. Find the cost of leveling a playground 4 rupees per square meter if it is length equal to 25 meter, width equal to 15 meter. What is the area? Area of rectangle L into B, 25 meter into 15 meter square centimeter, 15 5s are 75, 7 carry over, 15 2s are 30 plus 7, 375 square meter. What is the cost? 4 rupees. Cost of leveling per meter equal to 4 rupees. Cost of leveling of 375 square meter equal to 4 rupees into 375. 4 5s are 20, 2 carry over, 4 7s are 28 plus 2, 30, 3 carry over, 4 3s are 12 plus 3, 15. 1500 rupees is the cost of leveling of the rectangular area. Then also find the cost of fencing, 2 rupees 50 pice. Find out the perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B equal to 2. Length is 25 meter, width is 15 meter, 25 plus 15 is 40 meter, it is equal to 80 meter. Cost of fencing per meter equal to 2 rupees 50 pice. Cost of fencing of 80 meter equal to 2 rupees 50 pice into 80. Write 2 zeros, here 0, here 0, write 2 zeros, 8 5s are 40, 4 is the carryover, 8 2s are 16 plus 4, 20, 2 digits. So 200 rupees is the cost of fencing. How many rectangular tiles? (30 centimeter by 15 centimeter) will be required to pave the floor of a hall 25 meter into 4.5 meter. See here how many rectangular tiles. The tile is one measurement, the hall is another measurement. Okay, the tile measurement is 30 centimeter and 15 centimeter. The hall measurement is 25 meter, 4.5 meter. It is in centimeter, this is in meter. Okay, centimeter can convert into meter, then we find out the how many tiles required, how many rectangular tiles required. Find out the area of the hall. Area of hall by area of tile. It is equal to number of tiles. Got it? Area of hall is length into breadth, capital LB by small b is equal to number of tiles. So number of tiles equal to hall area is 25 meter into 4.5 meter by tile area is 30 centimeter by 15 centimeter. Okay. Meter can convert into centimeter. 25 into 100 centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter into 4.5 into 100 centimeter by 30 centimeter into 15 centimeter. This point eliminate right below 10. Okay. 1 0 1 0 cancel. 5 2s are 5 3s are 3 1s are 3 15s are 45. 15 1s are 15 2s are 30. Centimeter centimeter cancel, centimeter centimeter cancel. How many it is? 2 ones are 2 ones are cancelled. 25 into 100 equal to 2500 tiles required to pave the floor.